Our next objective is to take a closer look at the controls for a heat tracing system. Typically, we would use thermostat controls for most of the basic systems that we have out there. The thermostat may be monitoring ambient air, surface temperature, or the temperature of a fluid inside a process pipe. The thermostat is connected in series with the load and can be used to control heat trace directly or through a contactor. Most systems are line voltage and will require a line voltage thermostat. However, we can use low voltage thermostats if we use a contactor to set up a remote control circuit. Often we can use electronic controls which utilize solid state components that give us faster and more reliable control than using contactors. They can also provide us with a soft start, which would prevent nuisance tripping of heating circuits because the initial startup of the self-regulating cables can cause high initial current flow since they have low initial resistance. The electronic controller gradually increases the voltage to the system to prevent that rapid current rise. The voltage increases as the resistance increases as the cable heats up. For some processes, maintaining a temperature range is critical and requires fast response adjustments. Solid-state controllers will adjust the voltage to regulate the current flow, which will keep temperature at a steady level. Normally, we are installing heat tracing in areas where we would require to have ground fault protection. Rule 62.116 states that surface heat tracing must be GFCI protected. The GFCI protection is often part of the controlling electronics, but we don't need to have the same type of protection as we have with Class A GFCI devices we would find in our bathrooms. Appendix B states that heat tracing can have a higher trip setting of a 30 milliamp compared to the 6 milliamp that we'd have in our regular GFCI circuits inside our houses. You have now reached the end of this objective. Review your module, complete the knowledge check, and then continue on to the next video.